Good evening. This is Mayor Bob White. Today is Friday, April 10th, 2020, and this is COVID-19 briefing number 12. Currently, 54,588 New Jersey residents have contracted COVID-19. There were 3,627 new cases reported yesterday, and 233 more deaths, bringing the total deaths in New Jersey up to 1,932. Of those that have died, 58% were males and 41% were females. 1% were under 30 years of age. 4% were between 30 and 49 years old. 17% were between 50 and 64 years old. 33% were between 65 and 79 years old, and 45% were over the age of 80. Bergen County still has the highest number of cases with 8,384 and 345 deaths. As of Thursday, April 9th, 2020, Saddlebrook had 136 confirmed positive cases with 4 deaths. We continue to mourn our losses and offer our condolences to the loved ones of those who have passed away. We also pray for the speedy and full recoveries of all those who have contracted the disease. This week, Governor Murphy closed all state and county parks. The governor made the announcement during his news briefing on Tuesday, April 7th, saying there have been too many incidents at parks where people are not social distancing, and staying apart is the only way to flatten the curve. Our Saddle River County Park had been closed already since the end of March by order of Bergen County Executive Jim Tedesco. Governor Murphy's latest executive order, number 122, ceases all non-essential construction. It also puts additional requirements on essential retail businesses by mandating specific protections and policies on those businesses that are still permitted to operate under his original order, number 107. Some of the protections include limiting 50% of the stated maximum store capacity. Also establishment of hours of operation to permit access to help high-risk individuals. Installation of physical barriers such as shield guards between customers and store employees. More frequent sanitization of high-touch areas, and the requirement that workers and customers wear cloth face coverings while on the premises. I know Easter weekend is normally a time we gather to worship, for children's Easter egg hunts, and meals with extended family. Unfortunately, we cannot enjoy all those activities this year. Staying apart now is the surest way we'll be able to get back to church services, holiday celebrations, and other large gatherings later this year. I understand that some towns in Bergen County are sponsoring events for children that they claim abide by social distancing guidelines. Easter bunny rides, caravanning past homes for birthday celebrations, etc. The Township Council and I are not condoning these events and feel they run counter to all existing executive orders relating to essential travel and social distancing. These events usually require some expending of township resources and the unjustified risk of exposure to COVID-19 by employees and volunteers. According to state officials, New Jersey is still in need of more volunteers to bolster our medical ranks. Immediate staffing needs include chief nursing officer or chief medical officer, physicians, and respiratory therapists. So far, 20,203 individuals have signed up to volunteer over the past 10 days. These volunteers have signed up from across the country. We here in Saddlebrook thank them for their call to service. Volunteers can go to covid19.nj.gov/volunteer to sign up. We also have the utmost respect and appreciation for all our healthcare workers and emergency responders. The Saddlebrook Community Partnership and Access for All Committee have organized a campaign to show support for these selfless and courageous individuals who are on the front line of this pandemic. Signs have been purchased for residents to display on their lawns to show their appreciation and to say thank you to our doctors, nurses, healthcare workers, ambulance and EMS personnel, firefighters, police officers, and all the first responders. Residents who would like a sign must mail a minimum $10 donation, check or money order, payable to the Saddlebrook Volunteer Ambulance Corps, 93 Market Street, Saddlebrook, New Jersey, 07663. Attention, Christine. Once your check is received, a sign will be placed on your lawn. If you have any questions, please contact my office at 201-587-2903. As anticipated, there has been a sharp increase in the number of jobless claims since the beginning of March. Workers eligible for special unemployment compensation, known as Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, are urged to begin the process. Your standard unemployment claim will likely be denied, but being ineligible for regular unemployment is a federal prerequisite to being eligible for the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. For the fastest, most efficient service, the Labor Department recommends that you file online at myunemployment.nj.gov. The department is also backdating claims to ensure that no one loses a week of benefits, even if they can't get through right away. More employees are being brought online to help triage the volume of claims. Residents that are already collecting unemployment will begin to see their $600 supplemental unemployment benefit arrive April 14th for the week of March 30th. It will be a separate payment and will continue to be paid for eligible weeks through July 25th. Please continue to check the township website, social media outlets, and our town public access cable TV for important information, phone numbers, websites, and updates about the COVID-19 pandemic. A list of important phone numbers and online sites will play at the end of this video. Please remember, hashtag stay home, hashtag social distance, hashtag flatten the curve. Happy Easter and happy Passover. God bless and stay safe.